Good morning. This is Linda from Another Time. I'm going to be working out at the garden today, and I hope that you'll come and join me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go and do so and hit the like button. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. So I have these little panels, decorative landscape panels, and I thought they'd be perfect for just stringing up my peas so they're not all over the ground. I'm going to have to get some more. I don't have that many, but I have enough that I can. Let me get some twine and I'll get that tied up, or some hooks, whatever I have. So I'm just using some cheap little zip ties to connect these little plants with. Yeah, no, I need good ones and help do the rest. I'm not going to tight because I don't want to have a big stress. There's enough holes. So you have to just lead through. Not have any ties on. I really sort of hard, but it's all right. That should do it. So now I need to get some more for these, and easy trellis. So let me see what else I can get myself into. Another easy hack for tomato cages is if you have any of these cages laying around, if you have livestock or animals, you may. And I just set them around my tomato plants if I have extras. And it makes perfect tomato cages. And it keeps them contained in a certain area. So be creative. Think out of the box. You don't have to spend a fortune on gardening. Just use what you have. So, okay. Since I don't have any others and I want to get these done, I'm going to use what I have here. Like I said, it doesn't have to be expensive. I am just zip tying some lattice pieces that I had to some electric fence posts that I also had. So try to use what you have. What you're going to have is different than what I have. But try to use what you have and make the best of it. It'll save you some money, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Well, I'm going to be closing the video out here. I'm back at the house now. I'm a little sweaty. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please like and subscribe, and catch you on the next video. Thank you.